Rap City the basement. It's the Rock. DJ MK on the ones and twos. We're gonna holler at her momentarily so you get to run down her. It's all about my man Beans and Freeway right now.
Holla.
Early. Black Friday.
Criminal records.
Criminal records.
And we all got criminal records.
We all got criminal records.
Yeah.
Now tell me about this movie. State Property.
Ridiculous.
Alright?
Go check. You ain't seen it yet?
I ain't got I ain't had a chance to, man.
You slipping.
Been running errands. Ma got me running, dog.
Slipping, Jay.
Tell me about it. How was it doing your first acting roles?
Crazy, man. It was fun. It was fun.
Right.
After the movie came out and I watched it, I wish I could have went back, did a couple things over.
Right.
I didn't know it was going to come out that good. It was crazy.
Free?
Sold out.
I was booked.
First weekend, everywhere.
I was booked.
You booked?
Yeah, Free was booked. Free was locked down.
Salt, man. Movie crazy, man.
So how well you think the movie's gonna do, man? I know it opened only like in Baltimore, Boston, New York, and I think Philly first.
Oh no, we just picked up like 5, 6 more theaters.
Right.
Dame doing his job big time, man.
Dame's on the job.
Early.
No
It's
doubt.
about to be crazy, man.
All right, so now
Crazy.
the movie is about, for people who haven't gone out there and checked it out yet, what's it about?
The movie is about the average hustler in the street story, you know.
Right.
Tired of the petty little hustle. He got get the money. He out there doing what he got to do, putting the squad together.
Right.
Putting the work
You know what I mean? Putting in crazy work, letting them know, get down, lay down. And at the end of the day, I don't know too many people who retired from the drug game.
No doubt.
So you either go out 2 ways. You either get locked up or you're dead.
All right.
So
Y'all
you
make
gotta
sure.
go check out the movie to find that out.
Go support that. Make sure it say State Property on your ticket stub, right? We'll be back. Dame Dash on his way to the crib. Flying planes and stuff.
Off that plate. I know the chick that practice Tai Chi still can buy.
Yeah, no doubt. It's the Rock. We got my man Beanie Siegel with the new alias.
Holla.
Mac Mittens. Going down. Freeway up in here. Got DJ MK repping Brooklyn back there. She's good. We waiting on my man Dame Dash. You know him. CEO. Rockefeller. Big things. Stumbling in. Stumbling in.
Yeah, you know.
What up, man? You good? Everything good?
Beans for chain up.
Holla at your boy.
Can we talk about the Diodoro movement on the foot?
Yeah, we'll throw back.
All right.
You know.
Throwback kicks too?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, I'm not mad. What up, man? Have a seat. Have a seat.
I mean, you know,
good?
it's all good.
Rocker Films.
Yeah.
Big things.
Yeah.
State Property.
Yeah.
Why the change in name from Get Down, Lay Down to State Property?
Because State Property is the group. So, you know, we thought it represented the group would be better for the title, you know.
Right.
Plus, you know, there's some other things in the mix, but it's like, we might as well just go with State Property. It's easier.
Right. So it's not just a soundtrack. It is a group, State Property.
Yeah, it's not even really a soundtrack. I mean, some of the music's in the movie, but it's really the group. That's the album. It just happened to come out around the time of the movie. You know what I'm saying? So it works together. So it's not like a sound. It's all State Property.
No doubt.
You know what I'm saying?
So how big is this movie? How big is it? How's important to you?
Well, I must say, you know, we first shot it. We was like, we're gonna do like a straight to vid to introduce everybody. You know, Beans, he could carry a movie. He's a movement. But when we after we shot it and we looked at it and we tested it, everyone loved it so much. We was like, yo, we should go get a theatrical.
Right.
So we got a theatrical release, and because of the violence and the content in it, you know, they tried to limit it. You know what I mean? Like Lowe's wouldn't mess with us.
Right.
You know, I holler at my man Magic. He's supposed to put it in the change, but it didn't go there either. I'm gonna call him later.
No doubt.
But you know, came out at average 9,000 per screen, which is big. Like a regular movie might average 3 or 4 or 5.
Right.
But you know, it came out and the gross was just kicking everybody's ass.
All right.
Can I say that?
State Property. Yeah, you said it already.
So now it's gonna have the theatrical. We're gonna incrementally go through the whole state. And get what it deserves. You know, it might be big like Pulp Fiction or something. It's looking big like that.
State Property.
They did their thing.
The movie. Go see it. It's coming back with The Rock. All right?
Free.
Rap City, the basement. Dame Dash. We got Beanie Siegel. Freeway. Yeah. It's going down, DJ MK. Let's check out the new video. You introduced that. Make them watch it.
Wait. Free. Put up the unit, man. Let us see the unit.
I didn't get to that yet. Let me get to that. We gonna get to that. Don't back kick. Pitch the video.
Every hood stand up. It's that new video by me and my man Beanie Siegel, directed by Dame Dash. Rock the mic. Holla. What you thought? It's the Rock.